Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Madam, and I'm coming back to you once again. This time, I'm going to go back over the BET news, and this is about the mother of Daunte Wright. Son sues attorney Bill Crump. Clump. Family members in dispute over fundraising proceeds. China Whittaker alleges that the civil rights lawyer and the family turned their backs on Daunte Jr. I will list the article writer and all of the details in the description as I always do. Um, it says China Whittaker, the mother of Daunte Wright's Jr.'s son, filed a lawsuit against Wright's parents and attorney Bill Crump on Monday, October 3rd, accusing them of failing to keep a promise to share proceeds with her son that was released through a GoFundMe campaign, CBS Minnesota reports. Wright was killed during a traffic stop in 2021 by a former Brooklyn Center Minneapolis officer, Kim Potter, who fatally shot him with her service revolver, claiming that she mistook it for a taser. Potter was convicted in December of manslaughter and sentenced to 2 years in prison. Whittaker claims that Crump's law firm managed the crowdfunding campaign on behalf of the Wrights family, raising approximately the amount you see there. She alleges that they have all turned their backs on Daunte Wright Jr. Crump denies this wrongdoing. According to the lawsuit, Crump was acting as her attorney legal counsel. He promised her the donations to the Wrights Senior Memorial Fund would be divided evenly between Wright's family and her son as his sole heir, but she received not one single penny on behalf of Daunte Jr. All the money went to the Wrights' parents. Whittaker said that she didn't set up a separate GoFundMe campaign for Daunte Jr. because Crump assured her that Daunte Jr. would receive half of the funds. She's suing to force them to turn over Daunte's share and calls for an audit of the crowdfunding account. Crump says this situation does not involve him. This is strictly a family dispute between the mother of Daunte Wright's child and Daunte Wright's parents, who set up the GoFundMe account in question. Wow, that's crazy. Ben Crump law never handled or controlled the money from this GoFundMe account, which was under the sole direction of Daunte's parents. Crump's law firm stated, according to CBS Minnesota. Ben Crump law did not benefit from any of the fundraisings, and did not accept any fees in this case. Our hearts are always with the family, and we pray that they can find resolution. The statement continued. Wright's family reached a $3.25 million settlement with the city of Brooklyn Center, Minnesota in June. The settlement included a promise from the city officials to make reform to prevent a similar police shooting from happening again. And that is it from the end of the article. Just it's just crazy how you start off with something that's tragic within itself, and then I'm just speculating. I'm not saying either or. I don't know any of these people personally, so please take what I say with a grain of salt. When you throw money in the mix of anything, not just this situation, but any situation, it tends to just muck up the whole purpose and the drive and the original mission behind the situation. So it's just, I mean, it's sad to hear, but I mean, it's a thing. Hopefully, the sons will get his fair share, his fair dues, and they can move forward with this. Um, why allegedly the parents of Daunte Wright did not include their grandchild is beyond me. It would only be speculation for me to go into it, and I don't really know, so I'm not going to. It's just a sad case all around. I hope that, um, you know, everything just works itself out, and I will keep you updated as I do with any of my other videos. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching my video. Please join me down in the comment section, as we always do, to talk about this story and any other story that I do on my channel. And with that being said, you guys, I will get with you in the next one.